Welcome to Yo-Yo Kids Tube. Let's unlock your learning superpowers. In this video we will learn 20 pet animals.
Are you ready? Let's go.
Dog. This is a dog. Dogs are friendly pets. Cat. This is a cat. Cats are soft and cute. Rabbit. This is a rabbit. Rabbits have long ears. Parrot. This is a parrot. Parrots are green birds. Goldfish. This is a goldfish. Goldfish live in water. Hamster. This is a hamster. Hamsters are tiny pets. Guinea pig. This is a guinea pig. Guinea pigs are small animals. Pigeon. This is a pigeon. Pigeons are gentle birds. Lovebird. This is a lovebird. Lovebirds are colorful birds. Horse. This is a horse. Horses are strong animals. Duck. This is a duck. Ducks live near water. Goat. This is a goat. Goats are farm pets too. Sheep. This is a sheep. Sheep have soft wool. Cow. This is a cow. Cows are gentle animals. Donkey. This is a donkey. Donkeys are hard-working pets. Chicken. This is a chicken. Chickens live on farms. Goose. This is a goose. Geese are white birds. Peacock. This is a peacock. Peacocks are colorful birds. Monkey. This is a monkey. Monkeys are playful pets.